Sit. Try it again. Sit. And then basically what we do is we have a little treat in the beginning in our hands. When we do that, we just go sit. Yes, and then we mark. As soon as that bum is hit the ground.
Okay, he's up, he's
Yes, it can help a lot of this. He actually sits. Yes, and give him a treat. Then what we're trying to do is, so we walk up, puppy sits, you go yes, and give him a treat. Okay? Yes. And then you need to put parking him. The more you do this, the better they get.
Maybe the puppy's hard, isn't it?